Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I got this bomb natural style, please stay tuned. I am in collaboration with Reese LaFleur. She did hers on a lace front wig, so please check out Miss Wigiana because it is dope, honey. But stay tuned and I'll show you how to get this style in your natural hair. Welcome back, Purp Gang. So I was inspired by another YouTuber, Daye who did this style. I will link her video below, but you're going to start off by sectioning the back part of your hair and you're going to put that into a band. Now we're going to part our hair down the middle. After completing this, you want to separate the side sections into two sections. Keep watching and you'll understand exactly what I mean. Next, you are going to take the piece of hair that's closest to the middle part and you're going to separate that into three sections like so. First, we must lay those edges, honey, and I'm using the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer, and I'm going to put that on all parts of my hair to make sure it lays nice and flat. After that, you're going to grab your rubber band and loop that around a few times. Not too tight. You don't want too much tension on your hair. Now continue doing the same thing for the remaining two sections with the edge control and rubber bands. I'm spritzing a little water to help with my hair because I am styling this on old hair, but on the next section you're going to do the same thing as you did in the top. Please note that I end up twisting my hair to help keep it out of the way, but I end up utilizing the twist later on in the video. Now I'm going to take the side three pieces and kind of do like a flat twist while twisting them together, and then I'm going to add a rubber band at the end. Now that both sides are completed, you will take the front piece of your hair and you're going to cross it over to the next piece. And then you're going to grab the other piece of your hair that's in the front and you're going to cross it over the same exact way. So you're going to end up making an X. Now you're going to grab those two loose pieces and you're going to cross those over, doing the exact same steps you just completed, and you're going to add a rubber band on the end. Now that you've completed that, take your middle pieces, connect them and put them in a rubber band so I can give it a little bit of height. In the video that I saw, she used a elastic band, but I'm using a rubber band since that's what I had on hand. Now you're going to go ahead and 2-strand twist the back of your hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my jewels. You can add the jewels at any point in your hair that you would like. You don't have to do it the exact same way I did. I was just kind of following the tutorial that I saw since I like that particular look. And you can find these in your local beauty supply store for $1 or $2. It is now the next morning and it's time to take down our hair. You will notice that I have some frizziness, and it's because my hair was not completely dry, which is fine since I styled this on old hair, but it still came out to be a bomb look. Now it's time to fluff, fluff, fluff until you can't get enough, girl. Fluff it to your liking. And that is the final look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.